How to enable picture in picture in YouTube. Enabling picture in picture mode is quite easy on YouTube. For that, you need to go ahead and open the settings on your device. Once you're on the settings page, you need to simply open apps and then select the app management. Once you're on this app management page, you have to wait for a while until all the application gets loaded, and then you need to tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and search YouTube. Or manually, you can also scroll all the way down on that app management page and search for YouTube. Let's open YouTube app. So this will let you access to the app info page of YouTube, where you can scroll all the way down and select picture in picture option. Here, as you can see, we have disabled it. So let's turn it on by tapping on the button. And as you can see that the button has been turned on green color, that means we have toggle on the button and enable picture in YouTube. So it allows this app to create a picture in picture window while the app is open or after you leave it. So this window will be displayed on top of other apps you are using. So that is how we easily enable picture in picture on YouTube. I hope it worked for you. If this video was helpful, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe it and hit the notification bell for more updates on this channel.